Hello guys, Lucas from Zignaly here. I'm recording this video to show you how to swap your Metamask tokens of ZIG from old contract to the new contract. That's required if you're holding your tokens on ERC20 Network. So first of all, we need to open your Metamask. So that's my Metamask. And as you can see, I have 100 ZIGs over here. Those are old ZIG coins on the old contract. So we need to swap them for the new ZIGs, the ZIGs which are not affected by AscendEX Hot. So let's press this button. And over here we have those three dots. You need to press on them to open asset options and then hide ZIGs. So those ZIGs, the old ZIGs, will not be visible in our MetaMask wallet anymore. So when you have hide token question, you can add this token back in the future by going to import token in your account option menu. We will not add it again. We will add the new ZIG coin. So you have to press on hide. And then when we are back on our MetaMask dashboard, we need to press on import tokens. Over here, we have to go to custom token. And there is a place when we have to paste the new ZIG coin contract address. So it will be visible on a screen right now. I'm pasting that contract address over here. As we can see, the token symbol and decimal numbers were loaded automatically. So that's the correct address. And we have to press on add custom token. As you can see, it's also imported and recognized as ZIG coin, and the balance is exactly the same as it was on this wallet earlier on the old contract. So I have to press import contracts. And right now, as you can see, I have my ZIGs, the new correct ZIGs on my MetaMask. So that's the whole process. Remember to copy the new contract address. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below that video. Thank you for watching.